Online teaching tools. What are online teaching tools you can easily and get more confidently teach your students and your learners to connect with them? There are a number of tools in Zoom meetings, StreamYard.com, and Facebook have directly you can contact, go to live, create video from your mobile phone, and just make sure your audience will be enjoying, and ask them to comment, encourage them to share, and tell them to get the feedback. Making 5-minute videos or making the content. So these are the platform you're going to teach online. Share your desktop and make groups of people and collect them into their online platform. Online teaching may be sometimes hard to market. So there's nothing to do. You are expert in teaching English language. You have to introduce yourself and market. To teaching online, start with just a phrase and a 5 minutes or 2 minutes or 1 minute video, and put the line there, register here below WhatsApp group link, and create a WhatsApp group, and everyone is coming to the group, and you create a Facebook or Zoom meeting over there, and mention the time and dates. The student will become up to their Zoom meetings, and you can communicate with the number of class series and things. And afterwards, if you want to charge them, you can paid classes or free classes or teaching online and practice your online things there. Once you're teaching more and much, it will begin to your more confidence. Is it easy? It's still maybe confusing you, but watch it more again and again. If you have a comments or something, so comment below, ask me a question, because I love to answer and help you in your learning. Confidence is a skill. Shyness is your fear or something. It's your something blockage. You need to clear it. And how you clear these skills, I will tell you in bonus part. Let's move to the next video. Thank you.